Eggs. They are a staple in many diets around the world, and for good reason. These small, oval-shaped wonders are packed with nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. From providing essential vitamins and minerals to aiding in weight loss, eggs are truly a superfood. One of the most notable benefits of eggs is their high protein content. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, making it crucial for overall health. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes eggs an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. In addition to protein, eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. Eggs also contain vitamin A, which is essential for vision and skin health, as well as vitamin B12, which is necessary for nerve function and DNA synthesis. Minerals, such as iron, zinc, and selenium are also found in eggs, further contributing to their nutritional value. Eggs are also a great source of antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, making eggs a valuable addition to a healthy diet. In fact, studies have shown that consuming eggs regularly can improve eye health and reduce the risk of developing these common eye conditions. Another benefit of eggs is their role in weight management. Despite their relatively high calorie content, eggs are a filling and satisfying food that can help curb hunger and prevent overeating. The protein and fat in eggs slow down digestion and promote feelings of fullness, making them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Eggs are also a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. From omelets and frittatas to salads and sandwiches, eggs can be enjoyed at any meal of the day. They can be boiled, scrambled, poached, or fried, offering endless possibilities for delicious and nutritious meals. In addition to their health benefits, eggs are also affordable and readily available. They can be purchased at most grocery stores and farmers markets, making them a convenient option for those looking to improve their diet. Eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks, making them a convenient and long-lasting food choice. Despite their many benefits, eggs have been the subject of controversy in recent years due to concerns about cholesterol. Eggs are high in cholesterol, with one large egg containing about 186 milligrams. However, research has shown that dietary cholesterol has little impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, studies have found that consuming eggs in moderation can actually improve cholesterol levels by increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol. It is important to note that individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or heart disease, may need to limit their intake of eggs due to their cholesterol content. However, for the majority of people, eggs can be enjoyed as part of a healthy and balanced diet. In conclusion, eggs are a nutrient-dense food that offers a wide range of health benefits. From their high protein content to their vitamins and minerals, eggs are a valuable addition to any diet. They can help support muscle growth, improve eye health, aid in weight management, and provide a convenient and affordable source of nutrition. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious meal, consider reaching for an egg. Your body will thank you.